Jaguar Land Rover India launches the Range Rover Sport SVR in India at Rs 2.19 crores ex-showroom. The SVR is now the range-topping variant of the Range Rover Sport and can be booked on the brand's website or dealerships across the country. The Range Rover SVR is available in a host of exclusive color schemes with multiple finishes that the customers can choose from. However, it is available in one fully loaded trim. The SUV arrives as a completely built-up unit in India. The highlight of the SVR variant is its engine. The SUV is powered by a massive 5.0-liter supercharged V8 petrol engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Power is sent to all four wheels with Land Rover's revolutionary terrain response system as standard. Maximum power 567 bhp at 6500 rpm, peak torque 700 Nm at 5000 rpm, acceleration 0 to 100 km per hour 4.5 seconds, top speed 283 km per hour. There are 5 manual terrain response settings: comfort, grass, gravel, snow, mud and ruts, sand, and eco. The SVR continues to feature an electric air suspension which provides exceptional wheel articulation and poise. The air suspension works in conjunction with the respective ride modes. The SVR variant features a sportier stance as compared to other models in the Range Rover Sports lineup. This includes vents designed to improve brake cooling, body-colored detailing at the rear, and an SVR badge also help to identify the SVR. Other features include LED headlamps with DRLs, LED tail lamps, carbon fiber inserts on boot lid, SVR badging, 21-inch alloy wheels, and black contrast roof. As mentioned before, the sporty theme of the SVR has been carried on the inside as well. The lightweight SVR performance seats offered an enhanced driving posture and provide comfort on long journeys. The supportive seats also create more rear legroom. Other features include 19-speaker Meridian surround sound audio, dual-channel subwoofer, 10-inch infotainment touchscreen, 10-inch instrument cluster, touchscreen for climate control and seat heating, panoramic sunroof, steering wheel with paddle shifters, and dual-tone leather-finished dashboard, steering, and seats. The Range Rover SVR comes loaded with a host of safety features including a driver condition monitor and a 360-degree camera. Other features include dynamic stability control, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, electronic traction control, cornering brake control, roll stability control, emergency brake assist, and 8 airbags. The company also provides a host of optional safety packs to choose from including Drive Pro Pack and Park Pro Pack among others. CF Moto launched the 650NK, 650GT and 650MT BS6 in India, starting at Rs 4.29 lakh ex-showroom. Bookings for the motorcycle can be made online at the brand's website. Model prices for 650NK 4.29 lakh, 650MT 5.29 lakh and 650GT 5.59 lakh. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom India. The 650NK and the 650MT BS6 prices have increased by Rs 30,000. On the other hand, the 650GT BS6 prices have gone up by Rs 10,000. The 650 BS6 motorcycles are powered by the same engine that is now updated to meet the latest emission standards. This has resulted in around 10 bhp lesser in power figures as compared to the engine in its BS4 format. Also, the BS4 motorcycles had different engine tuning because of their different format. However, the BS6 650 motorcycles now use the same engine with the same tune. As a result, the power deficit on the GT and the MT is higher than the NK. Liquid-cooled parallel twin 650cc engine, maximum power 55.6 bhp at 8250 rpm, peak torque 54.4 Nm at 7000 rpm. Gearbox is 6-speed. Power loss in the engine. The 650MT BS6 has lost 13.4 bhp and 8 Nm of torque. The 650GT BS6 has lost 5.4 bhp and 4 Nm of torque. The 650NK BS6 has lost 3.4 bhp and 2 Nm of torque. Apart from the updated engine, the rest of the bike's features and design remains the same. The brand's naked motorcycle offering features an aggressive design. The rider sits upright, which makes the 650NK ideal for urban commutes as well as belting around the racetrack. Other features include ride modes, sports and rain, projector headlamps with LED DRLs, digital instrument cluster, 17-liter fuel tank, 815 mm seat height, 260 curb weight, single-side exhaust, and split seats. Designed for 650GT, the brand's touring motorcycle offering features a large windscreen with a fairing to create an aerodynamic design. The rider again sits upright comfortably on well-cushioned seats, which make it an ideal mile muncher. Other features include 19-liter fuel tank, TFT display for the instrument cluster, twin pod headlamps with DRLs, ride modes touring and sport, split seats, and single-sided exhaust. For the 650MT, the adventure motorcycle offering from the brand features a crash protector fitted from the factory. It also features a large windscreen with a semi-fairing to help with the touring abilities of the motorcycle. Other features include digital instrument cluster, knuckle guards, single-sided exhaust, twin projector headlamps with LED DRLs, ride mode, touring and sport, 18-liter fuel tank. CF Moto expands its BS6 motorcycle offering by launching 3 650 models in India. Because of an updated engine which is now the same for all motorcycles, the 650MT and the 650 GT BS6 models have severely lost in power output. Do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about these particular motorcycles, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives. Hyundai adds new variants to the Venue compact SUV in India called the SO and the SXO Executive. Prices for the new variants start at Rs 9.03 lakh ex-showroom Delhi and are available in a total of 4 trims. Variants and pricing for SO Petrol IMT Rs 9.03 lakh, Petrol 7DCT Rs 9.94 lakh, Diesel 6MT is for Rs 9.44 lakh, XXO Executive Diesel 6MT Rs 10.96 lakh. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The SO variant is available in the 1.0-liter turbo petrol engine mated to either IMT semi-automatic or 7-speed DCT automatic gearbox. Also, it is available with the 1.5-liter diesel engine mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. The SXO Executive variant, on the other hand, is only offered in the 1.5-liter diesel engine mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. The power for the 1.0-liter turbo petrol engine is 118 bhp and peak torque of 172 Nm. For 1.5-liter diesel engine, maximum power is 100 bhp and peak torque of 240 Nm. Variant changes. Regarding the changes made to both variants, both feature steel wheels instead of alloy wheels offered on the top spec variants. They also feature the brand BlueLink connectivity for a seamless audio experience. Apart from this, no other changes have been made to the new variants than the S and the SXO variants. The Hyundai Venue is currently placed in the most competitive 4-wheeler segment in India. The Venue rivals the likes of the Kia Sonet, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Tata Nexon, Ford EcoSport, Nissan Magnite, Renault Kiger, Honda WRV and the Toyota Urban Cruiser. Due to the fierce competition between compact SUVs in India, brands are thinking of new ways to give an edge to their product over the rivals. As a result, Hyundai has tailored the variants of the Venue to meet the demands of the buyers in the segment, instead of a standard trim offering. TVS Motor Company launches the N-Torq Race XP at Rs 83,275 ex-showroom. The new variant of the N-Torq scooter lineup is offered in a single tricolor paint scheme. Bookings for the new scooter can be made online at the brand's website for a token amount of Rs 5,000. The N-Torq Race XP is powered by an air-cooled single-cylinder fuel-injected 124cc engine. However, according to the company, the N-Torq Race XP is slightly more powerful than the other variants of the scooter. Maximum power 10 bhp at 7000 rpm, 0.8 bhp increase, peak torque 10.5 Nm at 5500 rpm. Additionally, the N-Torq Race XP also features 2 ride modes, Race and Street. The Race mode allows riders to extract max performance and allows for a top speed of 98 km per hour. On the other hand, the Street mode is ideal for city commute and enhances fuel efficiency. Soon be launching a new paint scheme of the brand's N-Torq 125 Race Edition scooter. The on-sale model features a single red and black color option in the Indian market. The new scooter features TVS Smart Connect connected technology and enables owners to pair the scooter to a smartphone via Bluetooth. This technology is taken a step further on the N-Torq Race XP with the addition of the voice assist feature. This will allow riders to talk to the scooter to operate certain functions, which includes 15 different voice commands. Riders can launch the turn-by-turn navigation as well as change ride modes using voice commands. The US Connect app smartphone application has also been updated by the company. The updates include refreshed UI and UX, ride mode based live dashboard, scooter overview with updated graphics, and save address function for navigation. Further enhancing the appeal of the Race XP variant, it features a unique tricolor theme which includes a combination of red, black and silver colors. It seamlessly blends with exciting graphics to create an appealing design for the scooter. The rest of the Race XP features remains the same as the Race Edition variants of the N-Torq scooter. This includes T-shaped headlamp and tail lamp, LED DRLs, fully digital instrument cluster, 12-inch alloy wheels, engine kill switch and 5.8-liter fuel tank. TVS added a little more excitement to the N-Torq scooter with the launch of the Race XP variant. Also, the voice command should make city riding a breeze.